Hi everyone, thank you for opening this video. I really appreciate you for being here. This is Juvie and I'm a previous call center agent turned into virtual assistant and now a small spa owner. And I wanted to share with you my faith journey with the Lord, how I get here to where I'm at today. And guys, do you believe in coincidence? Because me, I'm not. I really don't believe in coincidence. Everything happens dahil yun ang inalaw ni Lord na mangyari or it's a consequence of your actions. So, I wanted to share this part wherein we're really blessed by God. Yung kwento ng pagkuha namin ng pwesto. We are so blessed kung saan man yung spa ngayon kasi hindi na kami gaanong gumastos sa pagpapagawa. Kasi kung hindi siya yung nakita namin, kung hindi siya yung binigay sa amin ni Lord na pwesto, I believe mas malaki pa yung magagastos namin bago mag-operate yung spa. So, before namin yun nakita, marami na rin kaming chinek, pero hindi namin tinuloy kasi mahal, hindi namin talaga afford yung renta. At the same time, normally sa mga rental spaces, yung mga commercial spaces, hihingi talaga sila ng most of them 2 months advance and 3 months deposit, something like that. At ganun nga yung case sa iba, mas mahaba pa. And yung iba is post-dated check yung hinihingi nila. So, hindi talaga namin kaya kasi we thought na after 5 years or 10 years pa, sa iba yung franchise ng spa is almost $500,000. And we don't have that. Wala kaming ganun. Wala kaming ganun. Kami ng asawa ko were both virtual assistant and pareho kami na pinagtatrabahuan. But now, as I've mentioned, wala na ako doon. We took a risk na kailangan tutukan namin yung business. And before pala yan, ikukwento ko yan sa separate video. But paano namin nakuha yung pwesto? God's really amazing. We really prayed for it. At sinunod lang namin kung ano yung pinapagawa sa amin ni Lord. So, marami na nga kaming na-reject na space kasi hindi namin afford, hindi kaya. Nagko-compute din kami ng magiging cost at hindi pwedeng yung puhunan ay lahat mapunta lang sa pwesto kasi after that marami pang kailangan gawin like yung interior at yung mga materials na kailangan, beds, linens and everything, aircon. So nahihirapan kami kung paano siya babudgetin yung hawak naming pera. So nung may nakita ako online na nag-post ng commercial space, nakalagay na kasi yung amount ton, which is 10,000 per month yung magiging renta. So for me, parang kaya kasi mababa lang. Pero ang nangyari kasi, yung pwesto na yun, nung chinek namin ay sobrang liit. Parang kahit na 1 o 2 bed yung ilagay mo dun, sobrang sikip talaga. So it's really impossible for us to get that. But here's the plot twist. So, pinuntahan namin agad after we prayed and ang in-expect nga namin is yung nakapost online na commercial space na 10K a month ang rent. But, meron doong matandang lalaki, si tatay, na para siya yung caretaker ng area. Siya yung nagtatanggal ng yung naglilinis, nagtatanggal ng damo, ng basura. So, in-approach namin siya actually, na sabi namin, titignan namin yung taas, yung nakapost online na for rent na 10,000 per month. But, si tatay, sinasabi niya na namin sa kanya na yung taas yung titignan namin. Kasi nga, merong, yung whole ground floor ng building is closed. Pero si tatay, ini-insist niya na i-open yung space na yon at i-check namin kasi yun daw yung maganda. Yun daw yung maganda at kailangan namin para sa business namin. So, ako nga that time, medyo naiinis ako kasi yung aming pinunta ay yung sa taas, yung 10,000 per month, right? And then, si tatay, ang ini-insist niya is yung sa baba. Hindi ako interesado sa ino-offer ni tatay na pwesto sa baba kasi nga whole ground floor kasi ng building yon. Parang 2 unit siya na pinag-isa and alam ko na mahal yon. In-insist pa rin ni tatay na buksan, tingnan namin. At nung na-check namin yung place, talagang na-inlove kami sa kanya ng asawa ko kasi parang perfect spot siya for spa kasi nga glass na yung space, and then kung 4 na beds ang ilalagay namin doon, talagang kakasya siya. Nung pinuntahan namin yung 10K na commercial space sa taas, kahit isang bed or dalawang bed, hindi pa rin siya uubra. And at the same time, hindi pa siya tiles, hindi rin siya glass, wala pa rin siyang glass, and as in talaga bare na bare pa siya. Kumbaga, kung itutuloy namin yun, hindi talaga siya uubra. Parang pwede lang siya for small businesses, like kung maliit na yung take-out nook ng milk tea. Grabe si Lord talaga. So, nung tinanong namin yung monthly rental nung tinuturo sa amin ni tatay na pwesto, which is hindi siya nakapost online kasi yung owner, they're not planning na parentahan pa yon, kasi nga kaka-close niya lang. It's a mini grocery store before, all-in-one. Nung tinignan nga namin, marami pa talaga siyang gamit, halos nandoon pa lahat, mga freezer, yung ibang mga drawers, yung mga tables, yung mga gamit nila nandun pa. So yung owner, hindi talaga nila plan na parentahan yun, but everything falls into place pag talaga si Lord ang nag-orchestrate. All the impossible things are possible. Si tatay, meron siyang number nung nagmamanage ng place, so pinakausap niya agad sa amin, and everything went smooth. Christian din yung nagte-take care nung may-ari na nagte-take care ng lugar, nung pwesto, and I really believe na God led us. God used that person, si tatay, para ipakita sa amin yung for rent na place sa baba. Kasi guys, hindi nga siya nakapost online. The owner is not even thinking na iparent na agad yun, kasi nga kaka-close lang, and marami pang aayusin. Marami pa silang aayusin sa papeles na para ipa-close yung previous business na hindi nag-work doon. But God is really amazing. Your own breakthrough is coming. You just have to wait patiently for God's perfect timing. And while in the process, you have to learn and to grow, to discipline yourself. At while in the process, you just have to be patient and understanding, to trust God that your perfect timing is coming. Kung possible sa amin, kung possible sa buhay ng ibang tao, for sure, it will also possible for you. So I hope that this video, I'm really hoping that this video encourage everyone that is watching right now. Your situation is not your current situation is not your permanent destination. So lahat naman tayo ay lahat naman ng sitwasyon natin is temporary, but it's important to know that God will help you along the way. So I'll see you in the next video. I'll tell you about more how God really works in my life, really works for us, and how He led us on where we are today.